I'm Ashley, and I'm a certified EMDR therapist. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the question, how do I find the right therapist for me? You are definitely not alone. There are so many types of therapy and so many profiles online, it can kind of feel like you're dating, but for mental health, obviously. Let's break it down. We're going to talk about what to look for in a therapist and how to choose a therapy modality or style of treatment that fits your goals. Before you even start searching, pause and ask yourself a few questions. What am I hoping to work on? Like anxiety, relationship stress, trauma? Do I want deep healing from the past or tools to cope with right now? How much time and budget can I realistically commit? Clarity about your goals will guide you towards the right therapist and the treatment approach. Credentials matter. Make sure that your therapist is licensed or accredited in your province or state, but that's just the starting point. Here are qualities to prioritize. Safety and rapport. Do you feel heard and respected even in the first call or the email? Specialization. Do they have experience with your concern, like trauma, OCD, couples work, and more? It's critical to work with someone who understands the issue and has ways to help you. It will save you time, money, and it will help build your confidence. Take a look at their bio. What trainings have they done that tells you that they would be a good fit for you? Style and fit. Some therapists are gentle listeners and others are more structured with homework. Think about what feels motivating for you. Culture awareness and inclusivity. Your therapist should be open and affirming of your identity, your cultures, and your values. Next comes therapy modality. This is the method that your therapist uses. Here are some of the most common and know if they might fit your goals. There's EMDR with eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. It's excellent for trauma, PTSD, and painful memories. It helps the brain process distress so the memories lose their emotional charge. There's CBT, which is cognitive behavioral therapy. It's focused, practical, and goal-oriented. It's great for depression, anxiety, and changing unhelpful thought patterns. Then there's DBT, which is dialectical behavior therapy. It combines mindfulness with emotional regulation skills. This is really helpful for those with mood swings, self-harm urges, or intense relationships. IFS, or internal family systems. This works with your inner part, helping heal wounded younger selves, build self-compassion. This is great for those with complex PTSD or for having a lot of internal conflict. There's somatic and body-based therapies. This is where we focus on our physical sensations and nervous system regulations. Ideal when stress lives in our body, and it's great for those who've experienced trauma, anxiety, and depression. Then there's like the integrative holistic, and that's where many therapists blend their approaches together so they can tailor each session depending on your needs. Therapists mainly have their main modality and then they weave in the other modalities as they see fit. Remember, there's no best single modality. There's the right one that fits for you, your history, and your current goals. Here's your action plan. Make a short list of therapists whose profiles resonate with you. See if they offer a free consultation call. Some do, while others may not. The purpose of the call is to ask them questions, so come prepared. It's not meant to be a mini counseling session. If not, they might have a short video introduction that lets you get a sense of their personality and their approach. Alternatively, you can book an initial appointment. This gives you both a chance to settle in and see whether you're going to be a good fit for each other.